Hello and welcome to this video on how to make roasted sweet potatoes with honey. Sweet potatoes are a delicious and healthy vegetable, and when roasted with honey, they make a perfect side dish for any meal. Ingredients: 3 medium-sized sweet potatoes, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, fresh parsley, optional, for garnish. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Peel and cut the sweet potatoes into small cubes, about 1 inch in size. Step 3. In a large bowl, combine the sweet potatoes with olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Mix everything together until the sweet potatoes are coated evenly. Step 4. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and spread the sweet potatoes out in a single layer. Step 5. Place the baking sheet in the oven and roast for 25 to 30 minutes, until the sweet potatoes are tender and golden brown. Step 6. While the sweet potatoes are roasting, prepare the honey glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together the honey and a tablespoon of olive oil. Step 7. After 25 to 30 minutes of roasting, remove the baking sheet from the oven and brush the honey glaze over the sweet potatoes. Make sure to coat them evenly. Step 8. Place the baking sheet back in the oven and roast for another 5 to 10 minutes, until the honey glaze has caramelized and the sweet potatoes are crispy. Step 9. Remove the baking sheet from the oven and transfer the sweet potatoes to a serving dish. Garnish with fresh parsley if desired. Step 10. Serve the roasted sweet potatoes hot and enjoy. We hope you found this video helpful and that you give this recipe a try at home. Thank you for watching.